Hi, in this video I'll be going through audio settings using a Windows 10 laptop, external monitor, and a headset. This can also represent a desktop PC connected to, say, TV and speakers. Any combination of screen, audio playback, and recording device should be within the scope of this video. When it comes to audio, we have input and output. Input is taking audio in via microphone, output is playing audio back through headsets, speakers, etc. I will be using a HDMI cable to connect my laptop to an external monitor. This can also be a TV, projector, audio-visual system, anything that has a HDMI connection. HDMI cable plug looks like so, and it connects to your laptop's HDMI port. The other end goes to the mentioned display. This connection is only used to transmit video and audio out of the laptop, not the other way around. In essence, a HDMI port on your device is used for output only, so no microphone input here. I hope it makes sense. And last but not least, I will be using Teams for no particular reason other than just to show you that despite changing main audio settings in Windows, other applications can have a control of their own audio settings as well. This is important to know as it can throw you off when troubleshooting audio issues, and I will show you later why. First, let's go through the basics using laptop alone with no external devices connected. This video is all about audio settings, so let's dig in. Right-click on sound icon in your system tray and select Open Sound Settings. This is a master audio control for Windows 10. Note my output as speakers, that's laptop built-in speakers, and input microphone array. That's built-in microphones in this laptop. For a quick audio test, I move my master volume slider. It will produce audible ring, and that basically means my audio is working fine. As for microphone, I can test it by tapping near microphone and watching audio levels go up and down. Alright, let's check Teams. Open it up, click three dots up top, go to Settings and Devices. Speaker and microphone both showing same as Windows Master settings. No selection possible as no other devices are connected. Everything's normal here. First real world scenario. Laptop connected to another device using HDMI cable. In my case, a monitor. Left click on audio icon to preview output device. In my case, it's BenQ display audio. Perfect. Adjusting levels does not make any sound, however. This is because my display does not have built-in speakers. This would be a common complaint, no audio. I have to revert back to laptop speakers here, test again, all good. Let's head to sound settings. Same can be selected and tested here. Output looks good. Note, display is usually an output device, hence no extras for input here. Here's how you test existing one. Small tap on a laptop lid. Just as before, all good. Levels jumping in response. Back to Teams. Settings. And devices. BenQ display audio still selected here. Let me show you something. Select one of your presets here on top provided by Teams. That seems to default back to what we had available. Of course, you can always select one by one. Your pick. Let's connect the headset. This will give you an extra output and input. Sorry to be so technical, but it is important that you understand this concept of direction of data, out versus in. Zoom in on monitor, let's get a closer look. With the headset now connected, let's preview audio device by left clicking and testing where the sound is coming from. Still the laptop. Click on quick selection, select headset, test again. All sorted. Let's head to sound settings to have a closer look though. The microphone array is still selected. That was my laptop's audio in. I need to change this to headset microphone and test it by lightly tapping the microphone on the headset. Levels jumping, all good. Right, let's close this off. Next up, Teams. Jump into settings and check devices there. Usually Teams is reasonably good with auto detecting new devices. You can pick another preset under audio devices or make your own selection below. Note this handy option for secondary ringer. You can have all audio going through one device, but have a separate one ringing on incoming calls. Handy when you have headphones beside you on your desk while working away, for instance. And that's all I have for you this time. Main takeaway from this video is that Windows 10 does not always pick the right device for you, but it gives you a decent amount of flexibility to ensure you set your device up the way you like. And of course, don't forget the fact that some applications like Teams shown here have their own audio controls that can be manipulated independently from others. So yeah, let me know what you think and feel free to browse around for my other videos and comment away if you have any questions. Have fun. Till next time.